in the Monumental. More than 80,000 people, and there it is. The chance for El Fideo trying to put it through. A beautiful ball through the chins. And a good cutoff in the back. Great defensive action. As Argentina makes it. Panama careful with this one because they might create something fast and quick. Good move. Chelsea Football Club player putting this long one towards the right side, looking for Messi. Not able to force the good coverage. Manuel Molina. Here's Messi, careful with this one, looking for his goal. 99, Messi with the shot, and again, something to take into consideration as well. Messi with 98 goals internationally with Argentina, looking for his goal number 100. Now the question, it was a far right, careful with this one. Couple of bodies inside of the area, ball towards Messi, but a great action by Otamendi. Ball in play, still alive. Careful with this one, the chance on the left. It's the chance for Panama as the ball makes his way in. The header puts it back into action.
When they do that, go to places we'll recognise like Cordoba.
And then those full season with River Plate as well. Careful with this one, the chance into the middle and another good. They played under Sadio, I remember once against Brazil for the 2010 was the pass towards McAllister. Di Maria inside of the area. Messi between the marking of the team, putting a beautiful through ball into the middle. And once again, Giovanni Rio. Di Maria puts it back into the middle. Here's Messi. And you can hear long ball from Farinha. Trying to find
Justicia not long ago in Argentina, coming back to his parent club River.
The intention is to do it quick, and they are going to do it quick. Here's a good ball.
The linchpin to this national team.
Build-ups. And so far, Argentina's been doing that. Here's Messi. That's not a foul. Ooh, that didn't look like a foul first. And Nepal, of course, coming to the rescue. As he should. And we are going to have the first yellow card. Looking for his goal number 99. Leo Messi! And the ball strikes on the post. Incredible. What a shot from number 10. And the ball didn't even have too much power, but the accuracy was just on point. Look at this one, Pete. Almost number 99, but not
begin with, but Quintero's never going to get anything out of Romero.
Great control. Chance of a cross, maybe. We'll see what happens on this one. Good ball into the area. The chance for Messi. Right outside of the area. Beautiful ball looking for Tagliafico back towards Messi. Trying to get his head in there. Good clearance by Rios once again. And another good ball towards the right, move towards the right side as well. That's a quick change for number 11. Good ball inside of the area. The ball towards Julian Alvarez. The spider. Julian into the area. Good touches here by Panama. Let's see what happens. With chance of a shot from long range. Here's Messi. Right outside of the area. Good turn by number 10. Goes down, but no infraction called by the ref. Beautiful ball by Messi inside of the area. De Paul. Beautiful through ball looking for McAllister. And a good reaction as well from Jose Guerra, who came out trying to suffocate number 20. The ball. Here's Messi. Beautiful ball towards the ball inside of the area. Once again clear. Great ball into the inside. Julian Alvarez, who lets it go to play against Bolivia. So those will be the first two games for Argentina. And then towards the middle, the chance of a shot from long range. Or it would just land there in the track, but now
Argentina to be in front.
Here's Messi trying to get through it up in the back. It's hard to attack. The chance here for the ball. Great ball inside of the area looking for McAllister. Good cut out first. Back towards Di Maria. Back towards Molina. Great ball into the area.
A lot of people would have turned up here tonight expecting to see a fair few
players crowded in such a small space. Oh, cut-offs. Great ball towards the ball right at the edge of the area. Good cross into the box looking. Good move by number 2, trying to get through. Good control. Argentina trying to move this one forward. Here's trying to find options. Beautiful through ball. The chance for Messi. Messi! Oh, look like there was an edge. But look like
he's become in Argentina.
Julian feeding this one through the ball into the middle.
Around the city, and kids now actually wanting to play.
And now this pass most likely will be called. There's a ball towards Quintero inside of the area. I talked about the importance of these guys and their title, not just a sport. He go by himself on the left. Good control. By number 3 trying to feed this one through. Another chance for Argentina inside of the area. Good control by Julian into the areas.
So difficult for Argentina.
Messi. And again, Messi trying to pretty much shake everyone. Here's Fernandez. And a great save by Jose Guerra. It was a Chelsea man who tried it from long range and a great Damendi. Enzo Fernandez definitely feeling at home. Good ball into the area, far post, and a great header. The corner kick finally executed. Here's Messi. Good ball into the area. And was doubted. A beautiful ball down the right side and the chance of a cross. Messi outside of the area takes up on 2. Messi takes up on 3 and
Way off the right.
And Messi almost tried the Olympic corner kick. That would have been incredible. By inches. The ball. Another chance for Messi outside of the area. Fernandez. Very crowded ball. Messi! And another good response by Guerra. So far, Guerra with 3 decent responses. 1 in the first half and so far 2 in the second. Maria. Chance for El Fideo between the marking of 3. The referee ends up calling the foul. Number 99 with Argentina. The chance for Leo. And another good response by Guerra again. Over the crossbar, good touch by the keeper, and it will be another corner kick. There's Fernandez, we'll see that play again in a second. Right outside on the far right side, finds Messi. Between the marking of 2, gets away from 1, but does Romero. De Paul. Dybala, foul. They're recovered by De Paul. A shot by Di Maria, the response, and that looked like a penalty. As the action continues, and it gave me a glance that the referee was going to call the penalty, but then he saw a chance for Kevin Galvan trying to put a good ball. Steven! It's here. A good through ball for Molina, cutting inside of the area. Ball inside of the box. Finding Messi. Good ball towards Tagliafico. Back towards Messi. Messi. A good ball here towards Messi inside of the area. Referee says play on. No foul. Didn't look like a foul. And towards Dybala. Paulo. Good ball into the middle. Guerra of the area. Finds De Paul. Ball towards
the wait for the ball to drop.
And now Guerra. Referee says play on. Here's Messi! Over the crossbar. Oh, what a chance for number 10 as everyone's asking for a penalty. Antonio Martinez, De Paul, and a couple of other players also controlled by Dybala. Outside of the area. Here's a chance for Lautaro as he takes a shot. Outside of the area, beautiful chip towards El Huevo, and I believe there's a player that gets his foot in there. I believe Giovanni Rios. There's a beautiful through ball. Careful with this one. The chance down the Messi. The chance for Lionel Messi. Incredible the rebound. The ball's still alive. Almada. Good. For Argentina, it's the Atlanta United man Thiago Almada coming through, and the chance for Messi with a very crowded wall once again. Here's Lionel. Golazo for Argentina, ladies and gentlemen. It's the one, the only, the king.